In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit links in Draw.io diagrams for Confluence and Jira. Let's start from the beginning. First, open the Confluence page or Jira issue that contains the diagram you want to update. Once the page or issue has loaded, double-click directly on the diagram. This will open the Draw.io editor, where you can actually make changes to the content of your diagram rather than just viewing it. When the editor opens, take a moment to locate the specific shape whose link you want to change. This might be a button, a box in a flowchart, an icon, or any other diagram element that currently has a hyperlink. Click once on that shape to select it. You'll see selection handles appear around it, confirming that it's active. Now, to edit the link attached to that shape, right-click on the selected shape. In the context menu that appears, choose the option labeled Edit Link. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Alt plus Shift plus L to open the same link editor. This is especially handy when you're updating multiple links and want to move a bit faster. The link editor window gives you several options. Here you can update a standard URL, such as a web page or an internal tool. Simply replace the existing address with the new one you want to use. You can also link to a specific page within the same diagram. This is useful for more complex diagrams, where you might have multiple pages and want to guide users from an overview directly to a detailed section. In addition, if you're working in Confluence, you can link directly to anchors or attachments on the page. For example, you might link a diagram shape to a particular section of the page or to a file that's been uploaded as an attachment. This helps create a seamless navigation experience for anyone using your documentation. Once you've entered or adjusted the link the way you want, click the Apply button in the link editor. This confirms the change for that specific shape. Before you leave the editor, repeat the same process for any other shapes whose links you need to update. When you're done, go to the top of the Draw.io editor and save your changes. In Confluence or Jira, make sure you also save or publish the page or issue. This final step is important because it ensures your updated links are live and visible to everyone viewing the diagram.